516 crores as against rupees 466 crores of the first half of last year, that is 2010-11. This has been mainly due to a growth of 31% in interest income, which is now at 4,907 crores during the half year. The net interest income increased by 12.3% to 1,467 crores as compared to rupees 1,305 crores of the first half of last year. Our operating profit grew very well. We had an operating profit of 1,083 crores during the first half as compared to 938 crores last year, recording a growth of about 15.4%. Net interest margin for the bank stood at 3.16%. This was relating to the first half, but when it comes to quarter on quarter, our profit fell 12.27%. That is, the second quarter of last year, we had a profit of 264 crores, but the second quarter of this year, our profit was only 232 crores, which is a fall of 12.27%. But the gross profit increased by 22% quarter on quarter. As against 453 crores last year, our gross profit was 557 crores this year, which is a 23% jump. The net profit fell due to increase in provisions and contingency, which was up by almost 72% from 189 crores last year to 325 crores this year. I'll come to the reasons later. The deposits of the bank, total bank's business expanded by 21% over the year-on-year period. We are now at 1,62,000 crores, 95,000 crores of deposits and 67,000 crores of advance. The per employee business, per branch business are already made available to you. The growth in advances was spread across all segments, all categories, and was contributed by agriculture sector, by SME sector, and the housing loan sector. In fact, you would all be very happy to know that the bank got a special award for financing MSME industries on the 2nd of September at a function in New Delhi. The President of India was there. Our capital adequacy ratio was at 12.82% as at September 2011, much above the RBI benchmark of 9%. We had a total of 1,401 branches, with the opening of 168 branches between September 2010 and September 2011. We plan to open another 150 this year. We have done well in financial inclusion. Of the 1,102 villages given to us by the Government of India, we have already covered 711 and hope to cover the remaining villages well before the mandated period of March 2012. The other details are with you. A few more announcements. We have launched a CASA campaign from 1st October to 31st December. We are also aggressively pushing our gold coin sales. We are perhaps the only bank to give gold loans against our own gold coins. We have also decided to slash the minimum balance in savings bank. That was a long-standing demand. The minimum balance was raised about a year back, but that has been brought down. And we have also decided to give free multi-city checks to all the savings bank checkbook account holders. Another major complaint from customers was penalty on non-maintenance of minimum balances. We have been able to rationalize that. And a final announcement will be regarding our sponsoring the SPH 10K run, which is on the 27th of November. State Bank of Hyderabad will be the principal sponsor for this run. Thank you for a very patient hearing. Now I am open to questions.